racing as they battle for the 2016 Pilracom Lakambini Stakes race. Will be Space Needle, break quickly to start, and on the inside is Pinoy Pero, then down on the inside is Laplut Depan. One Tanamera comes next, Yong Guatemala, then next online is Real Flames, down on the inside now is Secret Kingdom, Grab Racing second last, while Divas Champion is the early trailer by about 18 lengths. Top the leader, racing down the back stretch will be Space Needle, takes command by what I heard, applying a little pressure now on the outside is Pinay Pero, then 2 lengths back in third comes Guan Tanamera. The next online is Laplut Defan, rushing about the outside is Real Flames. Yong comes next, alongside comes Guatemala. Then next online is Secret Kingdom, Divas Champion now second last, while Grab now racing in last. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now is starting to make the moves. Inside the last 500 we have Pinay Pero, rushing about the outside is Real Flames. Tanamera, Space Needle is down on the inside, Yong Guatemala, and they are now entering the much-awaited part of the race. The home stretch with Real Flames now takes command, running by the release. Space Needle, Pinay Pero is down on the inside, one Tanamera, Yong, last 100 meters we have Real Flames now racing away by about 6 lengths already. Space Needle, and finally it's Real Flames for the Lakambini Stakes race. Second is Space Needle, one Tanamera, Divas Champion, then comes Pinay Pero.
Okay, bayang karirista, para po dito sa inyong race number 5, we have an upset with 9-horse Real Flames. Nirendahan po yan ni JB Bakaykay para dito sa ating 2016 Pilracom Lakambini Stakes race. Masa segundo, numero 8 Space Needle, numero 3 Guantanamera, numero 6 na Divas Champion, at kung tama, numero 10 Pinay Pero. Atin muna pong balikan ang replay para sa inyo lang kakatapos lang na karera.